This question asks, is Roger a static character or a dynamic character? Use evidence from the text to support your assertion. So, thinking about this question, I know that what it's really asking is, does Roger change? Well, we know that Roger does change during the text, so we can go ahead and fill this one in. Roger is a dynamic character. At the beginning of the story, Roger is, well, we need an adjective to describe Roger at the beginning of the story. I could say, at the beginning of the story, Roger is dishonest. And at the end of the story, he is, I like the word trustworthy here. His changes revealed through dialogue. For example, at the beginning of the narrative, Roger says, and there's a big blank there because I want you to find evidence that shows that Roger was dishonest at the beginning of the story. However, at the end of the text, he says, and there's another blank here because I also want you to find a piece of evidence that shows that he was trustworthy at the end of the story. This shows a change because, well, we just have to explain how Roger changed in the story. And we have to explain how these two pieces of evidence show a change. Finally, we need a conclusion. To conclude, Roger's change is important because, I'm going to say it shows, to conclude, Roger's change is important because it shows that he learned the value of honesty. In other words, he learned that honesty pays off. And that one sentence, honesty pays off, that is one of the themes of the story.